We left off on this little guy here, the 64 buck. Oh, we got a big old power wagon, a D200, 1970 V8, 383. I tell you though, that 383 is that'd be worth going into an old project for damn sure. Damn. Look at this. I mean, this thing is back seat back there, but the other way is you can get to the fuel tank, and I'm going to get into that fuel filter. That's got seriously old fuel in it. These were, oh man, these were tanks. Got some holes in the roof up there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Then you go straight up. I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, fire department truck. My damn phone ran off the hook here. Now they can wait, whoever it is. Out right up there. Nice old window. I think it wants to '89. These Dodge pickups apart because I mean they all look the same. Oh yeah. This is the kind of thing you take out to the farm and you say, oh, this thing. These Dodge pickups, they talk for good money. I guess you got some damage, you know. That window missing right there, what happened? And that window bent. Bids are pretty high on this. 83 4x4 V8. That is really good tires. Holy shit. Talk about extended numbers. How was this done like this? I think the fire department doing on the front bumpers, but anybody else doing it on the back, I do not understand this. I mean, it's on the thing, that's for sure. you don't have the locking hubs, you just ship it inside. Here we go. This wind is this ain't bad for an old work truck. I mean, this really ain't bad. This could be a going town rig right here. 34,874 miles. Let's see what we got here. 5.9 liter, 360. Won't stay running, brakes are weak, battery is dead, flatbed with the boxes. Clean to Mexico title. This is a hell of a work truck right here. If you want something to work, this is it. Put you on a welder or something on the back of this. Man, that would be pretty good. Have you a welder on here? Air compressor. It's already had something there. Oh, it was a welding truck at one time. Look at the big old built-in receiver. Yeah, it's going nowhere. That ain't bad. But yeah, I mean, it's wide. It's really wide. How you doing? Doing good. This one also got the 5.9 in it. The bed doesn't seem as wide on this one as it does the other one. Still, well-made bed. I mean, really. Something right there. I don't know what the hell that was. No back on this one. Whatever you got to haul, you put it on bed. It's up here. Glove box fell off. That's okay. I mean, it's a nice truck. A little worn, but I like these Dodges though. These old pickups like this, they're pretty stout. They're putting lot numbers on everything for the auction tomorrow. My dad had one growing up. Exact same thing, same color. I remember it. 4-speed in it. Damn. Brings back memories right here. AM radio. Oh, FM radio too. That I don't think is factory. I don't see no something here. Reinforced stuff up. I am. This is really decent. What does it say about it here? It's got a 304 V8. No keys. All mirrors missing. New Mexico title though. They got a lot of try about getting a piece of rust. Yeah. Doors open really good though. International Gold Key model. My dad had one of these. And yeah, I remember when I was a kid, he told me, he said, if you can start that truck, you can drive it. Well, yeah, he took the keys off his ring, so I never found the key. I was never able to drive it. Riding around in it. That was his wintertime truck. It was in Wisconsin, so it was damn sure a winter truck. And here we are. We got square bodies now. This is a good looking square body. GMC. 85? Yeah, 85. About 305 in it. That ain't too bad though. Doors open up really good. And of course, I mean, this is something you can't get away from. It's these dashes, yeah. Those are always going to be cracked up, but they're easy to get. Sliding rear window. I mean, this car's in $500, which is not bad. And wow, this one is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my Ford. Damn, this truck is in very nice shape. Someone's put some money in this one. All doors closed so easy. We're there, but it's a 4x2. It's got a thrill to it. Extra bumpers. Extra good original mirrors. This one's gorgeous. Really is. I'm actually able to breathe through these pretty fast. I'm surprised. And we got another square body. I know there's a good selection of square body out here. This one is not bad. Main car's dash is cracked. But man, this seat is nice. Oh shit, it's got a 3-speed with a low. 4-wheel drive. Damn. What's the odometer reading on it? 14,000 miles. So it is 14,000. It's original. So she cleaned things. 5.0 starts. Has heads, block intake, carburetor, know, forest. Oh, I forgot they came. These came with diesels. I forgot about that. We got all three cars over there too. But I mean, well, she's a project for definitely. Dash needs a windshield, but he got some good bones there. Solar panels are in good shape. Starts, but then starts to die. So OBS, Chevy. So I on that. That's sidewalk. We'll go around the other side here. I mean, not too bad. It's a work truck. Looks like it was government at one time. 29,000 miles. And it's got the zero in front of it, so that's just original miles. This was a government truck. Guaranteed. Probably military. No hitch on it. That's kind of surprising. Or work on getting going.